Hi guys, I have a very exciting unboxing, at least exciting for me. It is my new beauty box. It's an acrylic beauty box by the brand Original Beauty Box. It's the deluxe version and it came in the mail. And I told you guys on Instagram stories that I will be unboxing this on camera. I just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts, and it's just a chit chat really. So the first thing is, I thought it was odd that it just got shipped in this box. So when they dropped it off on my porch, it looked like this. I just wanted to mention that in case you were planning to purchase this down the road and maybe it would get delivered to your home when you're at work and you guys have an issue with people stealing packages off of your porch. So yeah, it's just weird that you can blatantly see what it is. Real quick, I'm gonna go over the specifics. So this is from the website originalbeautybox.com. It's their deluxe beauty box. It retails for $159, which is very expensive, but I did get it for 50% off at the time. They happen to have a code, and it seems like they have codes pretty regularly. And it says here it's made of acrylic. It's the perfect way to organize your makeup. Keep all of your makeup organized and displayed beautifully in this 5-drawer acrylic cosmetic organizer. 5 pull-out drawers with removable dividers. Large capacity, stores at least 40 lipsticks, 30 blushes, 30 eyeliners, 20 powders, and more. Deep drawers. The large drawers have room for bulky items such as foundations, powders, bronzers, palettes, and more. So the dimensions are 10 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 12 inches in height. So let's open it up here. So it comes with a little card that says how you can basically clean it, your receipt. Ooh. It looks like it's packaged really well because it comes with this foam. Whew. So if you guys remember, I used to have the Muji drawers, which are also acrylic, and I liked having everything out on my vanity. I ended up wanting to kind of start fresh, and I gave them all away. And I have been putting stuff in drawers, but I saw the 50% off for this, and I wanted to get it because I have been wanting this for a very long time, like years ago. I've been saying that I wanted this. So here's the other foam. My battery's running out. No. And then it's also taped up really well in bubble wrap. This is packaged very well, I will say. Oh, look at Winston right there. Oh, that would have been bad. Hi, Winston. All right, so we got the dividers in here. Here it is in all its glory. It is massive, so much bigger than the Muji drawers that I used to have. So my hope is that I just have all of my makeup in here, aside from my eyeshadow palettes. Here are the dividers. So you can see that these have lines right down the center. So in any of those areas, you can choose to just keep it as is or put the divider in. So there's one bigger divider, and that goes in here like that, very easy. So these are really smooth drawers. So far, I don't see any issues with these. They don't make weird noises or anything. They're just like the Muji drawers. And I went with the ones that just have this divot here where you can put in your finger to open. And I believe they also have ones that have actual knobs that you can pull out, but I wanted to just go with the flat one. I ran out of battery, so I had to stop recording for a second. I'm not going to get into a full-blown like what fits in here and filling it up. If you guys are interested in doing that, I could definitely do that. I might actually film something like that in conjunction with like a why did I downsize my makeup collection. But today I will at least show you guys a size comparison with some products. So for example, this is my Dior Skin Forever foundation. It does not fit in here standing up. I mean, obviously if you look at the size measurements on the website, you will know that it won't fit, but just to show you. So this drawer goes up to here. So this is too tall, but I will most likely be laying this down like in this second drawer. something like that. This isn't supposed to be like a fancy video. I know I'm just like setting this on my knee, which is not safe. And if you have something like this from by Allegory, this will fit in the bottom drawer. So we'll go in here. I don't really know if I'm gonna do something like that. I think I'm just gonna line them up in here, but in case you wanted to know, that does go in there. And it does close. And this top one is not deep at all, so this would be good for your lipsticks. So I have some MAC lipsticks, a Milani lipstick, a couple lip glosses. So it would look like that. And it would look like that if I filled it up. Woo! So you guys kind of get the gist of what it would look like. I'm really looking forward to filling this up. I guess what I could just show you is what's on the box itself. So you can see they put a bunch of powders down there, lipsticks, single eyeshadows. Let me know if you guys have this version or the original beauty box. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but overall I think they packaged it really well. Aside from the fact that the box blatantly shows what it is when it's delivered. The inside though, it's nice. I am going to save this box for whenever we eventually move because it will definitely keep it safe in transit. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in a comment below and I will be sure to include this in a future video. It's most likely going to be an updated makeup collection and why I downsized my makeup collection. I am officially back on YouTube with new videos on Sundays and Thursdays, so please subscribe if you are interested and also let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. So I will see you guys in a few days. Bye.